At last, the tourists reached Pahalgaon. Their eyes sparkled at the breathtaking view. They were all so happy. It felt like heaven lay before them. Everyone was full of joy and excitement. Wow, Gaurav, this feels like a dream.
Let's make reels. Gotta show the world where we have arrived.
Kiran and Gaurav posed romantically in front of the camera. Their faces radiated love and happiness. Meanwhile, their friends were lost in laughter and fun. Everywhere there was a vibe of celebration, as if life was scattering its most beautiful moments.
I want to fly, Naina. I want to run. I even want to fall. But I never want to stop.
No matter how much you try, Bunny, something will always be left behind. Nearby, Sanju was playing in the snow with his parents. His laughter echoed all around, as if life itself had turned into a celebration. But far from this joyful scene, deep inside the snowy forest, four shadows were advancing swiftly. The crunch of their footsteps sliced through the icy silence.
We'll play Holi too, but with their blood. Kashmir was ours, is ours, and will always be. Inshallah! Inshallah!
All four terrorists turned towards Pahalgaon, weapons gripped in their hands and hatred on their faces. They had now reached the spot where all the tourists had gathered. And sadly, their first targets were Gaurav and Kiran. Gaurav was clicking Kiran's photos when suddenly a voice shouted,
Hey, are you Hindu or Muslim? Why? Is this some kind of a drill? Well, yes, I'm Hindu.
Before Gaurav could finish his sentence, a bullet hit right next to his head. He collapsed. He died on the spot. No, Gaurav! Why did you kill him? Why? What did he even do to you? What did he do to you? Just kill me too. I don't want to live.
No, we won't kill you. Watching you suffer every day will be more satisfying. Now go, tell your political people who did this to you. Brother, look, more groups are coming. They must be Hindus too. You both go that way, we'll look for some more Hindus this side.
The two terrorists approached a group that included people of all ages. One of the terrorists shouted,
Hindus one side, Muslims the other, or we'll open fire on all of you.
Everyone was so terrified. They were too scared to move. Then the terrorists pushed them and they exploited them. Then they separated Hindus and Muslims one by one. They slaughtered every Hindu male in that group. No one was spared. Kill us too! Kill us too! What will I do without my husband? Why have you left me behind? Why are you doing this? You have killed my husband. Kill me too! Kill me! Papa! Papa! Papa!
You kafirs! This is just the beginning. We'll bring this fate to your entire country. This is just the beginning.
No! 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 Leave us! Leave us! Don't do this to us! The terrorists fired into the air. Panic erupted everywhere. People froze in terror. One terrorist approached Priya and Rajiv.
Are you Hindu or Muslim? Answer fast! Say the kalma, quick!
What? Who are you?
Say the kalma quick! Quick!
Kalma? I don't know. What is it?
Another bullet fired. It hit Rajiv in the head. He was still breathing. So they shot him in the chest. He writhed and died in agony. No! No!
Papa? Papa?
Kill me too. Kill me too. Kill me.
No go. Tell your politicians. This is what happens to all of you.
Then two terrorists approached Sanjeev and Gagan and forced them to reveal their religion. And they shot them too. Their bodies collapsed on the ground, silent, lifeless. No, let us go, please. Let us go, please. Please. What did we do to deserve this? Irfan, please save us, Irfan, please.
This is exactly what you all deserve.
The terrorists again aimed guns at a few more men. A man named Hamza, the horse guide, stepped in to stop them.
For God's sake, have mercy. What you are doing is horribly wrong.
Hamza tried to snatch the gun, but a bullet pierced his chest. He collapsed right there. The terrorists fired more shots and fled towards the forest. The ground turned red. The heaven-like place had turned into a hell. Some local people ran in, helping the survivors. Soon after, the Indian army arrived.
No need to panic. You are safe now. We won't let anything happen to you. Just stay calm.
But Priya, Kiran, Lovely, Sanju and Chanchal were all still terrified. Even the soldiers in uniform looked like threats to them. Their minds were haunted by the bloodshed they had just witnessed. Their souls were trembling. No, please don't hurt my child. Please don't hurt my child. You have already killed my husband.
Relax, ma'am. We are not terrorists. We are the Indian Army. We are here to rescue you.
The army quickly launched an operation. All the remaining civilians were moved to safety. The injured were being treated. Meanwhile, every national news channel covered the incident. The reporter's voice burned with anger, sorrow, and patriotism.
Once again, cowardice has shown its ugliest face to the world. These terrorists who attacked unarmed, innocent tourists are nothing but cowards. They are poison bred in the shadow of fear. If you have the guts, face the Indian Army head on. Why attack the defenseless? But you know, if you come forward, you'll be wiped off the earth. Because this battle is not fought with weapon, it's fought with courage, and you lack it.
The survivors of the Pahalgaon attack watched the news too. Kiran clenched her fist in Gaurav's memory. Her eyes burned with fury. Priya's tears kept falling, but her face was no longer weak. It had become the symbol of vengeance.
These terrorists must understand, India's soil gives birth to warriors, not cowards. We rise every time, stronger than before. Each murder will be avenged so fearlessly that even their masters will tremble in fear. This is our India, and we will not let you divide us in the name of religion. We Hindus and Muslims are brothers. It is the land where every household raises a soldier and every heart beats for the tricolor. We do not fear, we do not break, we do not bow, because the sun of Bharat Mata rises through every night's darkness and reduces every terrorist ideology to ashes.
Kiran slowly rose from her chair, looked at the Indian flag and saluted. One by one, all the wounded stood up. Tears in their eyes, fire on their lips, a powerful chant echoed through the room. Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Bharat Mata Ki Jai!